Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to show you how to make this super easy fondant snowman cupcake topper. So to begin with, I took my sugar paste, or you may know it as fondant, and rolled it out to about 5mm thick, and then I just cut out a circle. I'm just going to gently pick it up and then smooth all the edges off. And then as it's supposed to be snow, I'm just gently making the edges a little bit rounded. Okay, so now I've got some blue sugar paste and I'm going to cut out the same size circle again, neaten off the edges. And then I'm just going to cut off a little bit at the top there, and this will be the hat. So again, I just need to clean the edges. And then I'm just using a little bit of clear alcohol, or you could use an edible glue. I'm just going to stick that to the top of the white disc we made earlier. So I'm using white the sugar paste and sky blue the sugar paste, and I'll leave a link to everything used in this tutorial in the description. So now I'm just adding a little bit of texture to the hat by using my blade tool and creating some little lines diagonally across and then the other way. You could also use a cocktail stick for this. Just gently pressing in these lines. It gives it a little bit of a knitted effect. Just going to smooth that off. Okay, so now I'm just rolling out some white sugar paste. We're going to do the white fur on the hat. And I'm just going to use my fondant smoother just to make it nice and even. Just going to check that for size. And then I'm going to stick that into position. And now to create the fur effect, I'm just using my scissors just to gently snip all the way along. Okay, so now I'm just using my ball tool to create a little indent at the top there for the bobble to go. Now I'm just going to stick a ball of white sugar paste into that little indent I made. Make sure it's secure, and again use my scissors just to snip around and to create a fur effect. Okay, so now I'm just going to use my bone tool to create some little indents for the eyes. And then I'm just going to stick 2 balls of black sugar paste into those indents. And then just press slightly with my finger, making sure they're the same size. And now I'm just making another little indent for the carrot, and I've just coloured some white sugar paste orange with some food colouring paste, and I'm forming that into a little tear shape. I'm just using my blade tool to create some little indents to make it look more like a carrot. Again, you could use a cocktail stick for this. Just going to lift it up so you can see it a little bit better. Just some little grooves in there. Hope you can see that. And now I'm just going to stick that into the little indent that we made. Okay, so now I'm making the mouth by taking a small piece of the black sugar paste and rolling it on my hand, making it tapered at both ends. To check it for size and then stick it into position. So I'm just popping it to where I want it, and then I'm just going to use a dry brush just to help shape it into a little smile. You could of course decorate this straight onto the cupcake if you didn't want to add any buttercream first and just wanted a fondant cupcake. So now I'm just adding 2 little highlights to the eyes by making a little indent with my small end of my ball tool, and then sticking a small ball of white sugar paste in the holes I just made. Just going to secure that with my ball tool. And then I'm just going to leave it aside to dry. Okay, so now I'm just going to add a little bit of blush to the cheeks using Sugar Fair's Blush Pink. Just put a little bit onto some kitchen roll, dab off the excess so you don't put too much on, and then just gently dust that onto the cheeks. Okay, so that's your Fondant Snowman cupcake topper made. I really hope that you like this tutorial. Please don't forget to check out my other ones. Please comment, like and subscribe for more, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and Merry Christmas.